Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who's subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And in today's video we are going to do a really easy, quick and simple Macrame, I believe is what it's called, plant, like hanging plant thing. I brought this prayer plant today, which is what I want to put in it, and it's so beautiful. I love it, and these are really on trend at the moment. I feel like that one's dying a bit, but anyway, so I got this, and obviously the blue ties in with the grey and blue of my kitchen, and I want it to hang up by my cactus thing which is behind me. So you'll need a plant of choice, whatever plant you would like. Then it's up to you on colour of the cord. So I've got two options here. I have got Hobbycraft's 200 grams of this, which was £6, which will do. Or you can get this whole kit, which you will need something from this anyway. So this kit comes with a reel of the cord. It's got 4 sticks in it, so if you were doing like a wall hanging, oh, one's just fallen out. Then it also comes with these cool beads, and it comes with different hoops, which you will need a hoop as well for this. So this whole kit was from Amazon. So again, if you wanted to, you could get that kit for £10, it was £9.99. You could get that on Prime for the next day, or pay delivery if you want. And that was £10. So £6, obviously you'd have to buy a ring as well. I think you can get 2 rings for £4, so it works out the same price. You obviously don't get any of the beads. Hobbycraft do beads, which I picked up like this, but I actually think I might use the wooden ones from this kit. But they do feel the same. I'm just thinking which one to use. I'm gonna go with this one because this is the kit I'm using, and I'll keep Hobbycrafts for another day for something else, because I know my grandma wants to do this with me too, but I wanted to do, I've got to film this tonight. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is work out how high you want it hanging, like the length you want it hanging. So I reckon I went for like 36 inches, so 92 centimetres. Then you want to measure down your pot and across your pot. So that's to 41 inches, 104. So we want it at 208 centimetres, which, hang on, let me work this out. 208, so that's 108. So that's like 42.5 centimetres. For me personally, I've got really tall ceilings, so this is going to be the right length for me. So you need 8 of them for this. So I'm just going to cut 7 more lengths. When you have your 8 lengths, you want to fold them in half, and then you want to get your hoop, which you can get whatever size you want. This is the smallest one in that pack. I will put that pack down below for you in the link, so you can get the same one as me if you want. And then just fold it through. So that's the loop, and I've folded it back through and just pulling it tight like so. And now we are going to start working out where we need the dots, and I'm going to put the beads in too because I would like to. So I'm going to drop you down so you can see what I am doing. Okay, so I've just put my stool over, my footstool over the hoop so it doesn't like move. So you want to split these off into 2s. it doesn't matter which ones, but you just need them in twos. You always want your plant near you because you always need that to hand for length and working out where you want it to hang. So what you need to do is you need to take this, the first two together and tie it in a knot at the length you want. So I'm going to go here. They all need to kind of be near enough the same in length. So you just want to tie that into a knot. Like so. Then we're going to put the bead on because I've decided to. So just on one strand. And then you just need to tie it in a knot so it goes onto the pattern. Like that, and leave that one. Then you do the same with them all along until you get to the end. These beads are all different, but they're really cute, actually, like African-y like. So we're going here. I'm trying to make them the same length. Okay, so as you can see, I've done all the first row with the beads on. Use a pen. I had a felt tip, a biro. Use a biro if you need help pushing the string through. I've took my bowl. Took the bowl out, the plant out the bowl so you can see the length. And I want probably 2 knots down before putting the beads back on the last one. So for this, all you need to do, this is where it might get a little bit tricky, is you take the second from the first line. So this one, so there's the first one, second one. So you take that one and the first from the next, and you make a knot again. And again, they should be equal, like lengths. Then you take the last one of the second and the first one of the first, of the third, and tie another knot. So now it looks like this, and you need to do it, well, for me, because my plant pot comes down a bit further, you need to do it one more time across, and I'm going to add beads again because it'll be like the end of the pot, if that makes sense, before we tie it off into a tassel. So yeah, we're going to repeat the steps again, so tying them together. So leave the first of this one, set to that one, going along. Does that make sense? So we'll tie there and we'll carry on again through that step. Okay, so then the final knot you're doing is the first string and the last string tying together, and this is where we're putting the hoop, the what's it called on as well, bead, like that. Then pick whatever string you want that is the best in quality, is what I would say, and thread it through. And then you just want to check that your plant pot will fit. So let's take that off. And the answer is yes, it will, because that is still high up there. I need to put it on properly, because some of them should be over there, so it should just have. So it'll be like that. I'll show you properly on the wall. So then all you need to do then is get all the bottoms together so they all hang correctly. and then you just want to tie this in a double knot. And then that's tied in the knot, and then you can just cut that to cut the tassels at the end to however you want. I don't want much of mine, so now it's time to put it all together. So hold it up, you've got your bottom in, and it will hang like that. So then you just need to put your plant in it. Okay, so it took some playing around just to get it right, but it looks pretty right now and I really like it. And then I've put my plant in and I've just moved the leaves around a little bit, just so they sit correctly in here. Unfortunately tonight I don't have a hook, so I can't hang it up and show you, but I will film that tomorrow once I get a hook from my mum and dad. I thought I had a hook here, but I don't. But this is what it looks like. And there's like obviously, and then just a little tassel at the bottom with my prayer plant in. So here is the finished article all hung up. I suppose it could have gone longer in length, because it could have fit down there, but when I have more and I want some with light bulbs and stuff, it will work really well. But that's mine with my prayer plant in, and it does sit well in that corner actually, so I'm quite happy about that. And I literally just screwed the screw in the top, put the hoop in, but there it is. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what sort of plant you'd put in them. I'd like to do a lot more with cactus and also light bulbs for fresh flowers, because I think that's really nice. And please also subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye!